We first heard of reflow through an industry contact, so we promptly met them and the journey started there really. Reflow's actually had a big impact across the whole business already. In the industry that we're in, we actually target our staff on reporting near hits, which means that we can learn from any potential risks that are on site and mitigate them at the earliest possible opportunity. Since Reflow's been in, our near hits have actually been at their highest level, which is great because it means that we can actually react to the risks out there.
I expect Reflow to save us money through the information that we get back. Our defect reporting has increased by 90% since we rolled it out, together with having much more specific question set for the defects, which means we're going to identify faults before they become big expensive faults, and that's where I expect us to save money.
While we're using Reflow, it seems things are getting done more efficiently, so like defects are actually being on top of. We've got proof of sending out Reflow where they can't come back and say you hadn't sent it, so there's forms submitted that we've got proof of sending it.
We were facing challenges mainly with consistency of information being delivered back to the office, and also just information full stop. We weren't getting that, so we wanted to make our reporting easier and more consistent.
The Reflow system is also great because the supervisors and foremen, they've got all the information they need in one place. They've got their risk assessments, method statements, cost details, the details of the site, anything site specific, it's all down on the Reflow, all in one place for them to see. There's no reason for anybody not to be aware of any hazards, anything else going on around them.
We want a system which would contain all our required paperwork for safety on site in one place without having to carry reams of paper about. The problem we've had with paperwork previously is the lads put their stuff in the boots of the cars and all over the place, and when you try to find a particular piece of paper, they don't know where it is, which sometimes causes problems.
Trying to find it, work through it when it's put in the back of your motor, it's a bit awkward then really, but I just find it a lot easier, it's all in one place. You can take pictures on there and send them straight away over, and it's a lot easier than having to then get everything separately done and then sent over.
One of the positive things about this Reflow is that we're now getting the safety tours coming on a more regular basis. Instead of with the previous form, we were getting everybody sending them a last thing of the month, which caused us a bit problems getting them all on time and get them registered. Now that we have the Reflow system, they tend to complete the site visits and they send them off straight away, which means they come more regular at a steadier pace, and we aim to rush at the end of the month to get all the data. So that is a big improvement. Yep.
Since implementing Reflow, the form compliance has been amazing. We've had forms come back when we need them with the information that we want on them on time. It's great.